How VP Constantino Chiwenga survived an arrest at airport. Sarabina mashikobdanyo pamusoro achinzi Operation Restore Legacy Tales. Panguva ino vauya vachidhiga out vachibuditsa vachiexposa chokwadi aiwa chinoonekwa kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa somewhere around 2017 pane an attempt yanga yakaplaniwa yekuarresta the vice president VP Constantino Chiwenga, but panguva inoi zvinoonekwa kunzi at that time it failed. VP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa pamwechete his intelligence, military intelligence nemaforces ake, they counteracted it. Sana mina mashoko abudanyugwa panguva ino kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda apa yendo aiwa yamutsamushase vanhu amudanyura chiti. It is reported that 2 weeks from the military intervention dubbed Operation Restore Legacy that took place in November 2017, police officers in plain clothing failed to arrest General Chiwenga at the airport. The police were outsmarted by military intelligence officers who had been briefed about the attempt to arrest their boss for plotting a coup. Military officers, disguised and dressed as National Handling Services workers, made their way into the runway entrance and escorted Chiwenga before arresting the police officers who had been allegedly sent by Commissioner General Chivuri. So dramatic were the scenes that the police officers found themselves surrounded by the military and were forced to disarm before being bundled into a van. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino anyazoratidza kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga is very powerful. Chiwenga panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi aiwa he is untouched, hamukwanisi mukomana uyu, and dzinonyatsobuda pachena kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga vakambopinda aiwa pakarema pakobvu nepatete and through thin and thick, but VP Constantino Chiwenga anoonekwa kunzi vanoramba vachingoratidza kuti he is a victor. And panguva ine kuchionekwa kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga the same person akambopinda aiwa mabushes vachirwa hondo, now is in another struggle, a fight to fight for the country's freedom, the country's prosperity. Panguva ine achikola up for accountability nekumisa corruption. Pana comment section medu zofungura emote kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like apa cheta on the bell icon.